Karma versus destiny. Who really wins this battle? For centuries, people have asked this question, and it's still something we think about almost every day without even realizing it. Like when we wonder if our life is shaped by our choices, or if everything is already written by fate. Welcome to Sia English Learning Pod. I'm your host, Mandarin, and today we're going to explore this fascinating, almost timeless debate between karma and destiny. And remember, we'll share a bonus tip at the end, so stay with me till the very last part to get it. So, karma, in simple words, is the law of cause and effect. You reap what you sow. If you put good energy, good actions into the world, you'll attract the same back to you. And if you choose harm, negativity, or selfishness, that's also what circles back. Destiny, on the other hand, is the belief that our lives are already mapped out, that something larger than us, whether you call it God, the universe, or fate, has written our story. Now here's where it gets interesting psychologically. You see, karma makes us feel responsible, like I can shape my tomorrow with what I do today. That gives us a sense of control, which psychologists say is very important for mental health. It reduces anxiety because we feel like our actions matter. But destiny gives us something else. It gives us comfort, especially in moments when things go wrong. When you lose a job or a relationship ends, destiny thinking helps you say, maybe it wasn't meant for me. Maybe something else is waiting. It softens the pain by reminding us we're not always in control, and that's okay. The Bhagavad Gita also speaks beautifully about this balance. Lord Krishna tells Arjuna, you have the right to perform your duty, but not to the fruits of your action. That's karma. You act with full sincerity, but you don't get attached to the result. The destiny part comes when we accept that the result is already in the hands of a higher order. So psychology and spirituality actually agree. Do your best action without obsessing over what happens, because destiny will play its role. Think of life like a river. You can't stop its flow. That's destiny. But you can swim, change your strokes, and choose how gracefully you move. That's karma. People who live with this balance, both in psychology and in the wisdom of the Gita, tend to be calmer, wiser, and more resilient. Now here's your bonus tip. Whenever you feel stuck between, should I try harder, or should I just let things be? Remember the Gita's lesson. Focus on action, not the outcome. That way, you honor karma by acting wisely, and you honor destiny by letting go of what is beyond your control. If you're enjoying this and want to improve your English faster, don't forget to subscribe.